go.
Hi everybody, peekaboo boys and girls, it's Mrs. Furlong. I thought I would send you a little video to say hello. Hi Wyatt, Victoria, Samara, Sabrina, Ryan, Roxy, Penelope, Olivia, Noel, Liam, Joseph, Jamin, Jacob, Jackson, Brennan, and Angelina. I hope I remembered everybody, and I hope everyone is doing well. I miss you so much. I hope you are doing lots of fun things at home and spending some time on days like this outside. This is so beautiful today. I thought I would sit on my front porch and talk to you. Please tell mommies and daddies that I said hello. I miss everybody so much. I have my happy smile face because I'm so happy to be spending a little bit of time with you today. I thought we could read a little story about the number 9. You might notice that there are lots of rhyming words in this story. It's called Engine Number 9 by Stephanie Commons. I'm ready to listen, ready to look, I'm ready for quiet. Let's enjoy our book. Engine number 9, rolling down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. The train makes stops along the way. Many want to ride today. First comes Bess with her pet pig. The pig is round and pink and big. Busy engine number 9, clicking, clacking down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. Oops, lost my plates, but that's okay. Stop for Jake and his prize cow. Hold your ears, she's talking now. Sal's roosters like to strut for show. Look at us, hear us crow. Crowded engine number 9, rumbling down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Soon we'll find out where it's going. Ducks and geese wait at the track. Listen to them honk and quack. One by one, here comes the band. The train is filled, so they must stand. Moms and dads with heels a-clicking carry babies, crying, kicking. Lots of crowding, lots of wiggling, children lording, shouting and giggling. Noisy engine number 9, clanking down the line. Brakes are screeching, train is slowing. Now we'll find out where it's going. Banners weaving in the air, all out for the county fair. That looks like fun.
Yeah.
Happy engine number 9 made it to the fair on time. At the fair, we'll eat and play, enter contests, win today. The train then picks its riders up, each with a prize, a ribbon or a cup. Sleeping engine number 9, rolling down the line. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Home is where this train is going. The end. Boys and girls, I when I go outside where I'm going to be with other people, I always remember to wear my mask. Right now I put it down so that you could hear me. I also making sure that I wash my hands, that I'm staying home and staying safe. So I hope that you are remembering to wash your hands and that you're having fun as you're staying safe. Please tell all the mommies and daddies that I said hello. Moms and dads, please go to the school website, mysds.org. If you click class pages and go down to my name, you hit teacher page and then newsletter. And there is lots of information for this week in my newsletter, including information about the next learning packet and about Zoom lessons. There's also cute activities for Earth Day because that is Wednesday this week. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. Boys and girls, I love you so much. I'm going to blow you a kiss, and I hope to see you soon.